This is how to paper trade options on Webull desktop the right way. If you skip paper trading and jump straight into live trading, you're way more likely to lose money and give up early, even if that can be avoided entirely. This video shows you how to set up paper trading correctly and how to open and close option trades so you can jump into live trading confidently. Inside Webull, start by clicking the paper trade button on the far left. Then you'll have 6 layouts to choose from, or you can build your own from scratch. Start by clicking the options trading layout. Now this screen might look overwhelming, but that's okay. I'll show you exactly what to focus on. First, click the toolbox icon in the top right that says add widgets. Then under the paper label, click paper account detail. This shows your paper account value and lets you set your starting cash amount. Hit reset, then you can start with as little as $1 or as much as $100 million to start practicing with. But to improve fastest, start with the amount you have in real life. This is the fastest way to gain confidence before live trading because you can make mistakes, reflect on them, then improve, all before putting real money on the line. We'll start with $1,500, enter that, click reset, then drag the paper account detail box to an open section. Then you'll want to pull up the stock you want to practice with. Go ahead and click the search icon at the top of any one of these boxes, then enter the stock name. We're using Tesla for this example. By entering that, it'll update all the other forms on this screen, so you're set to go. Okay, so you need to do 3 things to get the most out of paper trading and Webull. First, this is the options chain. At the bottom, you'll see a message that states quotes are delayed by 15 minutes and a button to subscribe to real-time data. Don't do this because there's a way you can get this for free, and I'll show you how in a second. Second, Webull usually gives new users cash bonuses or free stock for opening an account and depositing. These are required steps to start trading anyway, so don't miss out on free value. The link in the comment section below shows what you can get and a way to sign up if you haven't already. And yes, the bonus is real money, not just fake paper money like what we're trading with here. And third, hit this drop down at the top that says both. Then you can select either calls or puts depending on what you're trading. This makes the chain much easier to trade from by filtering by what you're actually going to use. Let's buy a call option, then we'll walk through successfully closing it, because this is where 90% of people get stuck and lose money when live trading. Now, if you plan on trading puts, don't worry. The steps you'll see here are the exact same. Okay, so each row here is a different option expiration date. You have November 7th, November 14th, and so on. By clicking on one of them, there's a list of tradable options at different stock prices. These different prices are known as strike prices. In the center, you'll see the stock's current share price with tradable strikes above and below the stock price. Now, there's only 6 strike prices showing right now, so let's change that. Hit the strikes drop down at the top, then you can choose from any number. Let's go with 50. To buy, select one of the strike prices and it'll automatically populate the trade form on the right. Make sure buy is selected, then for order type, we'll leave this as limit. You'll then enter the number of contracts to buy. When buying, the limit price is the premium you pay to buy this option. This is important when closing your position, so keep this in mind. Go ahead and click the edit button under the limit price box and hit mid price. When the market is open, this usually gives your order a good balance of executing quickly, and it prevents you from paying the highest price. Webull then displays the estimated order cost and your cash available to buy. Hit simulated buy, and then the order moves to the working widget. Now, if the market were open, it would then move to the positions tab as soon as the order goes through. At that point, you'd successfully be in the position. But how do you exit and close your position correctly so you don't get trapped in the trade? Head back to the options chain and select the same expiration date as the option you purchased. Then select the same strike price and it'll populate the order form again. This time, make sure sell is selected, and for the number of contracts to sell, this needs to be the exact number you bought. For limit price, this is now what you'll receive when the order goes through, and the difference between this amount and the premium you paid when you bought the option is your profit or loss. Hit simulated sell and it'll move to the working widget until it goes through. When it does, you've successfully exited the position. Now, there's still one major step you need to take when you start live trading. By default, option prices are delayed by 15 minutes, and the message on the options chain will prompt you to pay for real-time data. But you can get this for free by placing your first live options trade, then jumping into the customer service chat and asking for it for free. As long as you trade options on Webull at least once a month, they'll give you a free subscription. You just gotta ask. To trade real options confidently on Webull, you'll want to watch this 7-minute options trading tutorial for complete beginners.